Okay, so this is Squishy Video Collection number 2. This is drawer number 2. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Blue Cake Mirror. Hello Kitty Waffle. Hello Kitty Sushi. Hello Kitty Macaroon. Blue Macaroon. I have the pink macaroon as well. And it has a red bow. And this one's like super squishy. This is like, comes back up really slow. And the Hello Kitty Steam Bun. The Hello Kitty Bun. Head Bun. And the remints aren't that squishy. And chocolate donut mirror. It's pretty squishy. Rilakkuma Steam Bun. And this one's really squishy compared to the Kiratori, which is right here. It's just squishier. It's softer. And I have a Mickey Mouse. Squishy. It's very squishy. And it is a mirror as well. And I have this kitty cat, and there's 5 of these, and I have 2 of them. This one's not that squishy. This one's really hard, actually. And this one's actually kind of, I mean, it's pretty squishy. But it's still hard for a squishy. Hello Kitty donut. Licensed Hello Kitty donut. Another licensed Hello Kitty donut. Mickey Mouse waffle. I think this is cinnamon roll. I'm not too sure. This came as an extra in a package. And I'll just have to look it up. And this bun, this is one of my favorites because it's a decorated bun. This happy face bun. This half sandwich. And this one's really small. It's not that squishy. But the dead face one is. It is very squishy. It's just like extremely squishy. I have this donut, and it's very textured on the back. I don't want to squeeze it too much because the sprinkles fall off. And I also have a pink one, just like that. Very textured. And one of my favorite pieces of bread is this one because it's just like extremely soft. Where there is, I don't know, I can't explain how soft that is. It looks like an air bubble there, but it's like really soft. Compared to these. I mean, this one is soft, but it's like a different kind of soft. So I have Sleeping Beauty in the bread. I have Worried Face. And I have Kitty Cat. Of course I have a kitty cat. I have a Rilakkuma Squeeze pancake. I have this kitty toast, and it's really squishy. I have this Hello Kitty toast. It might be toast bread. I have this, I'm not sure what kind of cat that is. It has a name, but, and then I have this one with the chocolate and the dollop. I don't want to squish it too much because I don't want anything to fall off. Then I have this Hello Kitty cracker cookie. Then I have this cake. This mini cat face burger. Snow White cupcake. Disney. I have this purple donut, which is one of my favorites. I have this chocolate donut with drizzle. or white icing. I have this chicken sandwich, and this one has cheese, and the cheese is squishy. And it is a mirror. And like, it is really squishy. And lastly, I have a regular chicken sandwich. And see, even the chicken is squishy. Some things aren't squishy, like my hot dog squishies. The hot dog in it isn't squishy, but the bun's squishy. But everything on this is squishy, but the mirror part. Even the lettuce or the pickles or whatever that is. So, that was my squishy collection number 2, drawer number 2. And keep watching for drawer number 3.